Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to download WhatsApp application on your Android device. But before downloading, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell by hitting that bell icon if you don't want to miss any videos from us in future. Now moving back to our video, check whether your device is connected to the internet or not. If yes, then open Play Store on your device and then in the search bar type WHATSAPP and press the search button. After that, Play Store will show your results on the top of your screen, and right beside your result there will be a green install button, and if you press that button, Play Store will then start your download. To learn more about this application, go inside and find an area where it is written about this app. There you can read more about this application. You can learn about its features and everything else provided by the producer. After a while, the application will be successfully installed. Then you can use it to its fullest. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.